Hi, I'm Paul, CTO of Adjust. Today I want to talk about our latest tech acquisition of the company Unbotify. What does Unbotify actually do? Unbotify is a machine learning startup from Israel. They have developed a technology to distinguish humans from bots interacting with apps. What they use is biometric sensor data from the phone, like the gyroscope or the accelerometer, and touch events, so the duration, the area and the pressure of the touch event, and the concert of this data. This allows them to build very precise models of how humans naturally interact with apps and how bots look in comparison. It doesn't really lend itself to tell the difference between humans, but that makes it wonderfully privacy compliant on top of everything. Now, we of course want to use this technology in our fraud prevention suite to better determine bots for ad fraud use cases. But over the last couple of years fighting bots, we've learned that bots don't only harm your marketing budgets. Way beyond that, bots regularly interact with your app and harm the economy of your app in and of itself. Let me give you 3 examples. First of all, if you have a game that is reasonably successful, there's a good chance you're currently having players using bots to cheat. Either they demotivate your other players by continuously beating them, or by not being able to get anywhere on the top list. Worst of all, of course, is that these players have decided to rather pay money to play with a bot than to buy your in-app purchases. That means not only are you having demotivated players which will reduce your retention, you're also having a loss of sales to those players that would rather cheat than actually play honest. As a second example, e-commerce has a host of known problems with bots, and they simply followed into the app world as well. If we look at scalping, it is such an endemic problem that when we look at apps, it is pretty much the same as it was before in the web. That means whenever you sell concert tickets, limited editions of anything, the chance that a real human actually gets one of these items is fairly low. Today, most of these purchases are made by bots. As a third example is, for any of you who has ever used a dating app, you might have already come across a bot. Bots are endemic, that spam users and ruin the overall experience for the users. That means that if you have an app that is in any way, shape or form big enough for a bot to be interested to harm it, chances are that's already happening. In a nutshell, Adjust's new Unbotify product offers a bespoke, individually tailored solution for your app to, in real time, prevent bots from abusing it.